In today's video, we will learn how to activate your UAN, Universal Account Number. Along with this, we will also see how to create or change your UNID password, and that too in very simple steps. So, let's get started without any delay. First, open your web browser and simply search for EPFO. You will see the official website of EPFO, Employees Provident Fund Organization. Go ahead and open it. Once you are inside the EPFO website, you will see the interface like this. On the right hand side, you will find many options. Simply click on the option Online Claim Member Account Transfer. As soon as you click, the Unified Member Portal will open in front of you. You will see some alert instructions here. Read them and then click on OK. On the right hand side, you will see a small login screen where normally you have to enter your UAN and password. But since you don't have a password yet, you first need to activate your UAN. Just below the login screen, in the important link section, you will see some options. Click on Activate UAN. After clicking, a new page will open where you need to fill in your details. On the right side of the form, you will also find some instructions which are mandatory to follow for UAN activation. Let's assume all these requirements are correct in your case and you are ready to fill out the form. First, enter your UAN or member ID. You can use either, but here we'll use UAN. Next, enter your Aadhaar number. Then fill in your name and date of birth exactly as per Aadhaar. After that, enter your mobile number which is linked with Aadhaar. Fill in the CAPTCHA code, accept the terms and conditions, and then click on Get Authorization PIN. A new page will open and you will receive an OTP on the mobile number you provided. Enter that OTP here and then click on Validate OTP and activate UAN. Once you do this, your UAN will be activated and a password will be sent to your Aadhaar linked registered mobile number through SMS. Congratulations! Your UAN has been activated and you have received your password. Now, let's learn how to change your password and access your account. Go back to the login page, enter your UAN and the password you received via SMS and click on Sign In. After signing in, you will again receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter that OTP, the CAPTCHA, and click on Submit. Since this is your first login, you will be asked to update your password. Here, enter your old password and then carefully type in the new password. Re-enter the same password in the Confirm field. Check the terms and conditions, then click on Get Aadhaar OTP. You will receive another OTP on your registered Aadhaar mobile number. Enter it here and click on Change Password. Once you do this, you will see a message confirming that your password has been changed successfully. Now you can log in again with your UAN and the new password you just created. Enter CAPTCHA, click on Sign In, enter the OTP and submit. That's it! You are now successfully logged into your PF account. From here, you can do everything online like checking your PF balance, updating KYC, applying for PF withdrawal, transferring your PF, and many more services. I've also provided the official EPFO link in the description. You can directly go there and complete this process. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Compliance Monk. We'll see you soon with another new and interesting topic.